Last time in our Canva series, we explored how video layers work. Now let's take the next step, actually editing your video. I'm Ashley with the Southwest West Central Cooperative. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll be able to trim clips, add transitions, and adjust timing to create a classroom-ready video using Canva. Today, we're going to start off with the video we previously worked on. Let's start with trimming and splitting clips. Click on your video clip in the timeline at the bottom. To trim, simply drag the edges of the clip to shorten the beginning or end. If you want to remove a section in the middle, right-click the video clip and choose Split. You can now delete or move sections around. This is perfect for cleaning up mistakes or breaking directions into smaller chunks for students. Next, let's add transitions between clips. Hover your mouse between the two clips. The bottom icon that appears will be the transition icon. Click on it to add transition. Alternatively, right-click on the clip you want to add transition to, then choose Add Transition. A quick tip: keep transitions simple. The goal is to make your video smooth, not distracting. Now let's look at timing. Each clip has a set duration. You can click and drag to make clips longer or shorter depending on your needs. Alternatively, you can adjust timing using the Edit bar in the design pane. This is especially helpful when you're trying to match visuals with narration or give students more time to process information on the screen. If you haven't already added audio, let's do so now. Click on the Audio tab to add background music, or use the Record feature to create a voiceover. Once your audio is added, you can adjust the volume and even add fade in or fade out effects for smoother sound. Use the editing bar at the top of your design pane to use these features. Here's a pro tip. When editing your video, keep it simple and focused. Clear visuals, clean cuts, simple transitions, and easy to read text will go a long way in helping students stay engaged and understand the content. With just a few simple edits, trimming, transitions, timing, and audio, you can turn a basic Canva video into a polished instructional tool. Try editing one short video this week, maybe directions or a mini lesson, and build from there. Thanks for watching.